All right, Facebook, YouTube, Courtney Truman Steamers. Today is Monday, the beginning of a new week, November the 18th. So I got a total of 2 today. This is my first one, which is a total of 6 areas. New customer found me on Facebook. Carpets have already been pre-vacuumed and also pre-treated. So I'm about to finish setting up. Show you guys what I'm doing. This is going to be a good one because these carpets are soiled. But the pre-treat is already breaking down and releasing the soil from the fibers. And then we got the hallway. I got to put up my corner guards. This room right here. As you can see, they got everything out of the rooms into the bathroom. So anytime I have customers that want to know what to do with the furniture, any furniture they want moved out the way, have it moved before arrival. And then just masters right here. And then we got the stairs, which I haven't treated yet. When I have a total, a large amount of areas, I don't like to pre-treat everything at one time because that way the treatment will start drying up and it won't be as effective as if it was still in its wet stage. And this room right here, which I haven't treated either, so. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Come back and show you guys some results. Alright guys, had to show you this right here. I'm in the second bedroom. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Alright guys, these carpets are coming out amazing. Alright guys, almost done, and you can see how good these carpets are coming out. Amazing. So again, this is a new product that myself and one of my local distributors are working on, and this was a good job to test it out on. Very, very heavily soiled polyester carpets. But the thing about this product, you're going to be able to use it on not only carpets, but also upholstery and tiling grout. So it's going to be a 3-in-1, which means it's going to be a big, big money saver for carpet cleaners. Been testing it out for about 3 weeks now, but jobs like this is what's going to tell how good it can clean. And as you can see, it's doing a great job. And I actually don't have my hot water turned all the way up too. I wanted to see how good the product will clean without extremely hot water, and also on polyester carpets. And as you can see again, it is doing great. Alright guys, down to the last piece of carpet. Carpets came out great. Very, very satisfied with the results. And also the cleaning power of this new product I've been trying out for the last couple weeks. Alright guys, I'm going ahead and finish up here. Head to my next one. Thank you guys again for watching.